In the late 15th century, renowned explorer Christopher Columbus embarked on a groundbreaking journey to discover new lands and trade routes. During one of his voyages, his crew reported seeing peculiar lights in the distance. One night, a sailor named Juan spotted an unusual glow. "Look, senor, a strange light in the sky." Columbus peered into the darkness and saw a faint, flickering light, unlike any natural phenomenon they had previously encountered. The lights appeared and disappeared sporadically, leaving the crew both intrigued and puzzled. They kept a record of these mysterious occurrences, capturing their curiosity and wonder. As Columbus continued his exploration, he and his crew encountered various natural phenomena, but the origin of these enigmatic lights remained a mystery. They could not be definitively linked to extraterrestrial life, but their presence added an element of intrigue to the already thrilling voyages. The legacy of Columbus's exploration lives on, as do the stories of the mysterious lights, forever etched in the annals of history.